In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add product categories in Squarespace. If you want to keep your store organized and make it easier for customers to browse your products, adding categories is a simple and helpful step. In Squarespace, categories can help group similar items together, which is especially useful if you sell multiple types of products and want a cleaner shopping experience. To get started, log into your Squarespace site and go to your store management area. From the main menu, click on Products and Services. This is where Squarespace keeps the tools related to your store items, services, and overall product setup. Once you're there, click on Products. This will open the list of products currently in your store. From this page, find the product you want to organize into a category. Move to that product and click the three-dot menu beside it. This menu gives you additional options for managing that specific product. From the drop-down, click Edit. That will open the product editor where you can change detail like the title, description, pricing, and in this case, categories. Inside the product settings, look for the categories section. When you find it, click the plus icon next to categories. Now you'll be able to create a new category name. Type in the category you want to use. Try to choose a name that's clear and consistent with the rest of your store, because good category names make navigation much easier for visitors. After entering the category name, click Add. This creates the new category in Squarespace. Once it appears, select the category you just added so it becomes assigned to that product. This step is important because creating the category alone doesn't always mean it's automatically applied unless you also select it. After selecting the category, click Done. This confirms your category choice and closes that category selection window. Then, to make sure everything is updated properly, click Save in the product editor, and that's it. You've successfully added a product category in Squarespace and assigned it to a product. If you want to keep your store well organized, you can repeat the same process for other items as well. Categorizing products thoughtfully can make your back end easier to manage and can also improve the shopping experience for your customers. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you set up your Squarespace store more efficiently.